So you want free money? Let's talk SoFi's bonus bonanza. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial apps and a potential goldmine hiding in your pocket, your paycheck. That's right, we're talking about SoFi and their sweet $250 bonus offer. But before we jump in headfirst, let's take a step back. Have you ever felt stuck in a rut with your bank? Fees galore, lackluster interest rates, and customer service that makes you want to pull your hair out? Yeah, me too. That's why I started exploring online banking options, and SoFi quickly rose to the top of the list. SoFi isn't your average bank. They offer a one-stop shop for your financial needs, checking and savings accounts, investing options, student loan refinancing, and even personal loans. Plus, they boast a user-friendly app, competitive interest rates, and, the star of the show today, their enticing new member bonuses. Now, back to that juicy $250 bonus. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, hold on to your hats because it gets even better. There are actually two ways to snag this cash reward with SoFi, and we're going to explore both options in detail. Method 1, the direct deposit dash. This is the big kahuna, the main event, the direct deposit bonus. Here's the deal, SoFi wants to make you their new financial BFF, and they're willing to throw some serious cash your way to do it. If you're new to SoFi and open a checking and savings account, you can qualify for a whopping $250 bonus simply by setting up direct deposit. Think of it like this, you get paid, the money goes straight to SoFi, and you get rewarded for it. Win-win, right? But there are a few things to keep in mind. There's a minimum direct deposit requirement. You'll need to have at least $1,000 deposited within a specific time frame, usually 25 days, to trigger the bonus. Make sure those deposits qualify. SoFi doesn't count peer-to-peer transfers or one-time deposits like tax refunds. Focus on setting up a recurring direct deposit from your employer or another source. Check the SoFi website for the latest promotion details. Bonus offers can change, so it's always a good idea to double-check the current terms and conditions before diving in. Method 2, the referral rally. Maybe the direct deposit route isn't your style. No worries. SoFi also offers a sweet referral bonus. Here's how it works. You, the awesome person you are, tell your friends and family about SoFi's amazing features, and that sweet bonus, of course. They sign up using your unique referral link, and both of you get rewarded. This is a fantastic way to spread wealth, literally. You get $50 for every successful referral, and your friend gets $25 just for opening an account. It's a win-win for everyone involved. So, how do you make the most of these bonuses? Here are some key takeaways. Be strategic. If you have a large upcoming direct deposit, consider using SoFi to maximize your bonus potential. Spread the word. Tell your friends and family about SoFi's referral program. You'll both be glad you did. Read the fine print. Always check the SoFi website for the latest bonus details and eligibility requirements. Is SoFi right for you? Ultimately, the decision is yours. But with a user-friendly app, competitive rates, and fantastic bonuses, SoFi is definitely worth considering. It could be the perfect way to jumpstart your savings goals or simply put some extra cash in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.